What's up, guys? So, Slips 13 is starting right now.
Welcome to my channel, here's the intro song. My name is Ella Bogan, subscribe to come along. Like my videos, next week there's more. Let's begin right now.
Currently putting on some warm clothes because we're going out for a team bonfire night. Hey.
Stop being cringy.
I'm being really cringy right now, but I think I'm gonna braid my hair because it's still drying.
So, can I, like, stand up?
You can, like, okay. Look at Tiara. Emma's been in every vlog since last week. Yeah. There you go. This is great lit, guys. Emma's so awkward, I love it. Okay. Yours is like, yeah.
Oh,
I think it's a little undercut. Mine's not even, oh. I didn't even realize.
Can I steal a bun?
Yeah. So, nobody can.
What is? Look how, like, look at, there's like me, and then there's like. This is a good camera. That's actually a really cute picture. Focus on you.
Me zooming in on you, it's like.
No, because I just do a smirk and stuff, you know?
Yeah, like my smirk.
Oh! Yeah. I forgot.
No, she's not looking. What'd you think? Good. You're like, I'm in the vlog. Her worst nightmare.
His own company is saving $200 million. But I mean,
Okay. I met you in the dark. You lit me up. You made me feel like so. We danced the night away.
wait.
Sparkled your hair back.
That's it. I was like,
No. It's okay. Simple day, where have you gone? I'm getting tired and I need someone to rely on. I came across a fallen tree. I felt the branches of it looking at me. Is this the place we used to love? This is the place that I've been dreaming of. Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere only we know? 'Cause this could be the end of everything. So why don't we go somewhere only we know? Welcome to my channel, here's the intro song. My name